The Sushi onigiri machine has an automatic rice feeding function that automatically feeds rice into the machine and rotates it into onigiri through the internal gears, greatly improving production efficiency.
Here we go.
In addition, it also has a rice ball hardness adjustment function. Users can adjust the softness of the rice ball according to their personal taste through the button, which is very humanized. When the production is completed, the rice ball will be automatically sent out from the bottom exit, which is convenient for users to take. The entire process can be completed with a simple on, off button and stop button operation.